is up, y'all, and welcome back. I had to stop because my hands are freezing, and yeah, it's about like 7:30 right now in the morning. It's pretty cold, but I figured I'd come out here and ride. That way, for sure, all the ground is nice and packed due to like coldness, so I can get a lot of grip. Because if it was muddy, I wouldn't be out here. I mean, it's too hard for me to even get up them little hills with these pit bikes. But yeah, this is where I'm riding. So that was my main trail, but in another video, I'm gonna be riding. So like probably each video is probably gonna be like one trail. So I'll probably try back and forth on that one, and then I'll probably go take it out in the field. Yeah. Alright. It is cold out here. Really cold. It's like 35, but on a dirt bike going about 30, it is not fun. But if it's to entertain you guys, I mean, I'll do it, because, I mean, it's pretty fun, but not fun because of the cold weather, so. That's pretty fun. Always hits my top of my head, a little branch. But anyway, yeah. This is where, so my house, it's all the way over there, like far. But, I always ride these trails to get back over near that back part, which that's essentially where all my trails are. So I just ride this if I want to go all the way back there. I don't like to walk, but wouldn't be as fun, and it would take a lot of energy just to walk. But that's a pretty long walk. Yeah, I'm just cruising. Just trying to do something with my life. My hands, bro, they're freezing. I decided I wasn't going to wear my gloves today, but that is a very bad mistake. And then I'd have to ride back home just to get my gloves. So, I could check on the creek over there. Hold on. Going from this way. Yeah, right here. So that's like the bottom part, and then this right here, that's the creek. Well, yeah. That's pretty much it. Me and my buddy, dirt biking with Drew, we are gonna be fishing at some point. Hopefully when it gets warmer. Not have to go out here during the coldness, but it's gonna be better soon though, because it's gonna get warmer. So it's gonna be pretty fun. if I want to go to the back part of the trails over there, I have to go over that path just to get over there. Which that's not too bad of a drive, because I mean, yeah, definitely I might do it like tomorrow. I might do the other trail, because that'd be pretty fun to do. Yeah, I don't think there's a car. Whew. It is really freezing. I mean, technically it's almost below freezing. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.